The Conquest V.H.P GMT is made for people who need to switch time zones frequently. Being very easy to set, this makes the watch a great traveling companion. First, to know which time, home or travel, is shown with the hour and minute hands, just push the smart crown briefly once. The second hand will now jump either to the home symbol, located at 10 o'clock if the home time is shown, or to the plane symbol, located at 2 o'clock if it is showing the travel time. The GMT hand will always show the other time zone on the flange. Thanks to the swap function, you can switch the time indicated by the main hour and minute hands to home or travel time by pushing the crown twice briefly. The time will change accordingly. Swap again to display your home time. The time can be set in two different ways, manually or in a totally innovative way. For the manual setting, first select the time zone you want to change using the swap function. Then you can set it the same way as for the Conquest V.H.P models without GMT function. You'll find more details in our additional video, Conquest V.H.P Time Settings. Are you ready for the innovative way? Great! Hang on. The new way to set the time is called flash setting. It is done with your smartphone in 4 easy steps. First, install our app, Longines V.H.P GMT Flash Setting from the Apple or Google App Store. After opening the app, choose your home and travel time zones. Then activate the flash setting mode on your watch by pushing the crown briefly once. Push it again and hold it for 2 seconds. You can see that the watch is ready to receive the flash signal when the minute, second and GMT hands move to 12 o'clock. Be careful. If the watch does not receive any flash signal within 60 seconds, it will quit the flash setting mode and show the time again. Next, take your smartphone and place the camera approximately 10 centimeters above the watch. Just for your information, the flash setting photo detector is located at the number 1 of 12 o'clock. Then align the circle shown on your phone screen with the watch. Once properly aligned, the circle turns green. Press Send Home on your smartphone to send the home time. To transmit the travel time zone, simply press Send Travel. A movement of the hands confirms the watch has been successfully set. If not, follow the previous steps again. To display the new settings and exit the flash mode, push the crown briefly once or wait about 1 minute. That's it! The Conquest V.H.P GMT is the perfect watch for frequent travelers. Switching time zones without losing a second of accuracy has never been easier. An incredible feature in an analog and not connected watch. Conquest V.H.P. Ultimate Quartz Innovation.